Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest tech and gadgets for car enthusiasts. We've curated the top 11 coolest car gadgets available on Amazon in 2024. From must-have accessories to cutting-edge tech, we've got it covered. Stay tuned for an exciting review of these must-have car gadgets. Let's dive in. Number 11, Acool. Introducing Acool, your solution to beating the heat in your car. This innovative ventilation system offers unmatched protection for your car's interior against high temperatures. With only 2 modules installed on your car windows and a solar panel on the dashboard, Acool can decrease interior air temperature by up to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's not all. Acool also functions as a filter, removing up to 85% of chemical contaminants, viruses, and bacteria from the air. Number 10, FoboTire. Introducing FoboTire, the ultimate solution for promoting road safety through optimal tire pressure maintenance. FoboTire Plus is an advanced wireless tire pressure monitoring system compatible with Android and iOS devices via Bluetooth 4.0 technology. Its intelligent in-car monitoring unit allows 24/7 tire pressure monitoring, even when your car ignition is off. With alerts in the absence of your smartphone, it monitors up to 600 kPa or 87 psi. Stay safe and prevent accidents due to underinflated tires with FoboTire Plus, now available on Amazon. Number 9, TM Motors Coin Box. Looking to enhance the functionality of your car's interior? Explore the TM Motors Coin Box to elevate your car's interior functionality. Installation is effortless. Simply slide the holder into the seat gap to gain an additional cup holder, storage compartment, and convenient coin box. Access your coins with ease through a simple movement. This gadget is ideal for those seeking added organization in their vehicle. Number 8, Reviver R-Plate Digital License Plate. Introducing the Reviver R-Plate Digital License Plate, the ultimate car gadget on Amazon. It's the future of license plates, offering a modern alternative to traditional ones. The high-resolution screen displays your license info and allows customization with messages or images. Equipped with GPS, it tracks your vehicle's location and sends real-time alerts if it's moved without permission. Remote updates eliminate the need for physical replacements. With advanced technology and a sleek design, the R-Plate revolutionizes the automotive industry. Get yours on Amazon today for a smarter, safer vehicle. Number 7, AutoCafe. Introducing AutoCafe, the ultimate gadget for coffee aficionados on the move. Say farewell to cold coffee during your commute with this electric cup holder. At just $30, AutoCafe is a must-have for hot beverage lovers. Its built-in heater monitors the drink temperature and activates when it drops below your desired level. Designed to fit snugly in your center console cup holder, it's safe for use with disposable cups, porcelain, plastic, and metal mugs. Grab yours on Amazon today for piping hot coffee on the go. Number 6, Pneumatic Jack. Discover Rack Jack, your go-to pneumatic jack for repair shops. These powerful tools are ideal for frame racks, alignment machines, and various repair setups. With a compact design and low maintenance requirements, Rack Jack offers swift and easy installation of pinch weld clamps on frames. Manufactured to precise tolerances in our Danbury, Connecticut facility using computer-controlled machines, each jack ensures accuracy and durability. Trust Rack Jack for reliable and repetitive vehicle lifting with American-made pride. Available now on Amazon. Number 5, the Solid Shield. Introducing Solid Shield, a revolutionary invention from Saudi Arabia, renowned for its vast deserts and sandy landscapes. This metal plate attaches to your car's wheel, significantly enhancing traction and enabling smooth navigation through challenging terrains. Witness the video as the car effortlessly maneuvers out of deep sand with Solid Shield. Available in various shapes and sizes to suit diverse vehicle requirements, neatly packaged in a compact bag. For just $200, this investment is a must-have for any off-road enthusiast. Get yours today on Amazon. Number 4, ZF Easy Turn. Introducing ZF Easy Turn, a groundbreaking suspension system designed for smoother, more efficient rides. This advanced technology utilizes a unique strut suspension axle concept to absorb road shocks and vibrations, enhancing handling and stability. With its compact design, Easy Turn occupies less space than traditional suspension systems, perfect for vehicles with limited interior space. Whether you drive a car, truck, or other vehicle, this innovation will revolutionize your driving experience. Don't miss out on the benefits of ZF Easy Turn. Upgrade your ride today. Available on Amazon as one of the coolest car gadgets and best accessories. Number 3. Trek Safe LED Flares. Discover Trek Safe LED Flares, a safer alternative to traditional road flares, available on Amazon. These innovative LED flares come in a compact protective box with 2 single sticks that can be mounted in seconds. With bright colors, flashing LEDs, and reflective surfaces, they're visible from up to 5,000 feet away, offering a safer way to signal drivers. Plus, these LED flares are reusable and hold their charge for an extended period, unlike traditional flares lasting only 15 minutes. Get this cool car gadget for just $20. Number 2. Icon Life. Introducing Icon Life, the essential portable car wash gadget for enthusiasts. Its adjustable water jet angle, 0 to 40 degrees, effortlessly blasts away dry dirt and reaches difficult spots. Compatible with water tanks or regular hoses, it works with any water source. With various brushes, including rotating ones, achieve thorough cleaning on all surfaces. Available on Amazon for just $13, Icon Life offers an affordable and convenient solution to keep your car looking brand new. Number 1. Dried Zero. Introducing Dried Zero, an innovative dash cam by Israeli company Dried, designed for ultimate convenience. With just one button, it easily attaches to the front or back windshield, recording high-quality video at 1,440 pixels and 30 frames per second with a 170-degree angle. What makes it stand out is its direct-to-cloud recording, making it the world's smallest remote storage dash cam. With unlimited cloud storage, you can effortlessly transfer videos to your smartphone or computer. Starting at just $69, Dried Zero is a must-have gadget for any driver. Thanks for checking out our list of the 11 coolest car gadgets still available on Amazon in 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and lists of the latest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching.